Okay, so we know you can't take a rocket to the bare chest. We know what happens behind a brick wall. What happens if you make a getaway in your car? Or rather, Bob makes a getaway in his car. Oh, also, don't forget this. You're gonna want that. Oh, we lost the brakes. Oh, we lost the brakes.
Welcome back to Ballistic High Speed. All right, well, thanks for joining us on our excellent adventure down that hill to get this parked over here. We're gonna put, what have we named him, Bob?
Yep, this is Bob.
We're gonna put Bob in the passenger seat here. We're gonna see what happens if a high explosive rocket were to impact the door.
Yep, your buddy picked you up. You were too in a rush to ask questions, and now you've got a high explosive rocket flying at your ass, so.
Let's go ahead and get him in. We've ideally lined this up so that the impact should happen right around where his torso is on the door. Seat belt him in for safety, of course.
Godspeed, soldier.
So we have things lined up that a high explosive rocket should impact right around here. We don't know if it's gonna punch through or not. If it does, that'll be cool.
Yeah.
If not, it'll basically be asking, does glass and thin sheet metal protect you from this explosive warhead?
One way to find out.
Let's go shoot it.
Let's do it.
High speed ready!
All right, here we go. Ready on the range. It's live. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Oh, clear.
If you haven't seen it yet, we now have our merchandise available through Bunker Branding, so head over there through the link in the description below and pick yourself up a t-shirt or sweatshirt. We've got different designs for both of those. We also have some really cool vinyl stickers available to throw on your camera cases, your gun cases, laptops, all the good stuff. It's a great way to support the channel and get yourself some really cool and comfortable Ballistic high-speed swag. Okay, let's check that out, because I'm pretty sure that door came off like a bullet. That was insane. Holy crap.
There's like,
What in the world?
not really a door.
There's this frame part and that's it.
Is this the handle?
Do you think that'll unlatch?
Nah, I think she's stuck.
Can we bend this down?
Careful, careful.
Oh, look at all this glass in his body.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
This wasn't broken. This was, all the glass
Oh, that's
was
all
good.
concussive. What about all the dashes all blown in?
Oh, that driver's in, that's all sheet metal blown into that'd have gone right into whoever was driving.
Oh, yeah.
And I bet it, you know, lacerated across him.
Oh, he's got big cuts on him for sure. Let's try to pull him out. Oh, yeah.
There's a good one.
So this easily could have been sheet metal that uncurled in the explosion and just here.
There's a good one.
Bottom of his stomach. And
Yeah.
there's so many pockets of glass just stuck in him.
He's got a big one on his cheek. The biggest thing with that, I mean, he took a TBI for sure.
yeah.
I mean, that alone could have killed him.
Metal could have cut into his
2,
legs.
3, 4, 5 broken ribs.
Oh yeah.
And any one of those can puncture a lung. Yeah, that definitely hurt. Hey, this door works fine. Oh, something made it out the driver's window. Yeah, I think it's like part of the dash, but it must have actually made it through the driver window and kept going. That's pretty crazy. As somebody who repairs my own firearms and does gunsmithing professionally, I can wholeheartedly recommend the Sonoran Desert Institute for anybody looking to get a start or further their career in the firearm industry.
Not only do they provide the flexibility of online education, they also offer hands-on experience in areas of customizing, ballistics, shooting sports management, and much more by shipping tools and supplies right to your door. With plenty of payment plans and funding options available, such as federal student aid, TA and VA benefits based on eligibility, you should definitely check them out.
And if you want to get your start in gunsmithing, visit sdi.edu or just give them a call at 480-999-4767. We'll also leave a link in the description below.
That is true. Also, let's go watch some delicious high speed.
Let's go do that.
This is another one of those things where it happens so instantly in real life, where you kind of need high speed to see.
Yeah.
Ooh, right into the door handle, the ripples.
Oh, it found something in there. Did you see it suddenly move?
Yeah. What? Where's that going?
I don't know. Is that gonna hit the launcher?
Ooh.
I think it did, didn't it?
It hit the string. Look at that, it's getting stretched up. What is that? Is that like the rubber?
weather stripping?
Okay. I think it went off perfectly in the door.
In the door,
I don't
yeah.
think it actually punched all the way through yet. Because it's like the door
Man.
layers went like that. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's in so much trouble.
Oh, he's actually in the explosion.
Oh, yeah. Wonder what that's like.
You can't say that. But look how it just starts wrinkling the heck out of that door. And it starts seeping through different cracks in the body panels and works its way down to
all
the
the way
bottom.
down, yeah.
Look at it just separate. That is so cool. The whole door frame just starts peeling back. This is one of those things where more frame rate reveals so much more that a pretty cool shot is now an awesome shot.
Right,
Because that's
yeah.
so much extra stuff going on.
I feel like it held quite a bit of the explosion in there, though.
Oh, yeah.
I think it did pretty good.
There are different things in the door frame, reinforcement bars and
Right.
different layers of the metal in there before it gets to plastic. So I think it was just so perfectly placed in there, all the energy perfectly stretched that door apart.
I think it went off in the cavity of the door.
Yeah.
I expected it to like pop the car, all the windows like get blown out of it.
Well,
like
I
you
guess
see in the movies.
The downside of it being a junk car is nothing worked in that
Yeah.
car. So if we could have put all the windows up, we might have gotten some pressure buildup.
Yeah, because like that one's like kind of down.
And I
can
think
see
the
the driver's
sunroof might have even been open.
Okay.
It broke the windshield. It threw some stuff out the other side. Oh, a lot more than I thought.
wow.
What is that part?
Okay.
Oh, I bet that's the inside of the door. Like the inside panel just got shot through.
So Bob was in for a rough time in there.
We've seen the body. I think he got extremely lucky. I think the inside of the door panel blew just past him and went through the other window, and then all of that energy kind of got absorbed into that sheet metal to crinkle it and throw it away.
So the driver may have been in worse shape than Bob.
A real person would have had legs coming out and all
Yeah,
that stuff.
yeah.
So, like, he could have lost his whole leg based on like where that explosion just
And then,
happened.
of course, like we've seen with the concussion waves going out of it, there's always concussions, TBIs, collapsed lungs.
So we didn't get the raw like damage of the rocket in the body.
Right.
But I think seeing this is enough to know he's either very messed up or potentially dead.
Right.
This is wild.
Okay. Still much better than nothing at all.
Oh yeah.
If you didn't see the naked body one, yikes.
Yeah, if you haven't watched the first one in the series, what are you doing? That was the cool one.
Come on. I don't think he's surviving that one
I don't
still.
think so. It's so mangled. I mean, think about it. If you're sitting in a car and a bomb goes off in your door so intensely that your door flies away, there's no way you're surviving that.
So when we go to revisit this, what can protect you from an RPG?
A tank.
It's not your bare chest.
Your own chest.
It's not a cinder block
Ooh,
wall.
we could try like some of the best body armor on the market. Let it hit that and just watch it shove the plate into his body.
You're not surviving that.
Well, but it'd be cool.
Well, it'd be cool. Well, actually, I guess keeping him alive wouldn't be very cool either.
Yeah.
It's just watching a rocket
We
explode.
want cool results, but
Yeah.
also answer some questions.
Yeah.
Let us know, guys, if and when we revisit RPGs, which I think we're going to at some point.
Absolutely.
What should we try to protect our guy with? Or just what are some other cool things to hit with RPGs? Because that rocket into a torso shot is so good. That's an excellent shot. I want to see more of that type of stuff.
I want to see the light, fast ones.
Oh, yeah.
I think we go for those
So much
next.
faster.
Yep.
We know these were slow, heavy rockets, but we got our results, and now we're ready to explore some other stuff.
Yep.
So far, we've successfully used rockets to kill 2 people, even though they were behind some type of cover.
Yeah. So I guess rockets are just deadly. Who would have thought?
I don't even think we need an outro.
I don't think so.
Well, you guys know we can get access to high explosive rockets, so what else do you guys want to see? Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This was a lot of fun. This is seriously hard stuff to film. This took months of planning, so please consider subscribing, liking, all that good stuff, because we are working our butts off to get you guys content like this. So please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.